Good day, guys. Welcome back. So, if you are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram. I will put the link in the comment section. So, let's see what you'll be expecting on our New Zealand dollar JPY. So, on our New Zealand dollar JPY, if you take a look at this our trend, we are in a ranging market move. So, market is ranging within this level. So, basically, for range traders, this is a good opportunity. But within this range, there's a current movement market is currently doing, which is trending. So within this ranging market move, market is giving us a minor movement, a minor trend, which is a trending market move. And that trending market move has been made from our support level here, which rallied up till it eventually tapped our resistance. Now with this, got to this pullback, we should be expecting one more movement up and then a drop. So above all, swing traders, you should be looking for a sell setup, only hoping for the sell once you get the sell. But for day traders, you might want to be looking for just one more movement to the upside, or it will be better you stay, do not take the trade, wait till you eventually see the sell setup, and you can go ahead to take the sell.